Hey everyone, it is Cullah Hale from Destination Thrills, and we have a big story that broke over the weekend out of Doswell, Virginia. King's Dominion, in a surprise announcement on their blog post, revealed that Volcano would remain closed permanently and be removed from the park. In the statement, King's Dominion said, "Part of getting ready for a new operating season includes an expert evaluation of our rides and operations. As a part of that evaluation, every aspect of our rides and attractions are analyzed, from guest satisfaction, throughput, and rider capacity to reliability, uptime, and maintenance. After thorough evaluation, the decision has been made to remove Volcano the Blast Coaster. This wasn't an easy decision for us because we know that people love this one-of-a-kind coaster. However, over time it became nearly impossible to keep the ride up to our high standards of reliability and guest satisfaction. And for these reasons, we had to make the tough call. We apologize to anyone who is inconvenienced by the removal, but hope they will understand that it was done to enhance the overall guest experience here at King's Dominion." Now, personally, I am bummed to hear about this unique coaster closing because I will never have the chance to ride it. The concept of this coaster seemed really exciting, and the launch out of the Volcano looked to be a fantastic experience. Now, with Volcano closing, many have already begun to speculate on what could be replacing in its spot. However, with the nature of this announcement being so different than the hype created by Kings Island surrounding the closure of Firehawk, I highly doubt that a new coaster will be replacing Volcano anytime soon, if at all. Another thing to note is, will King's Dominion keep the Volcano, or will they tear this structure down as well? If they keep the structure, what kind of coaster/ride could they build in or around it? Well, let's look at some options that King's Dominion might consider in replacing Volcano. First, they could replace it with a brand new roller coaster built in and around the Volcano structure. It would be really awesome to see a launch coaster, one like the SNS Air Launch Coaster coming to Six Flags Great America, or maybe one of the new Vekoma Bermuda Blitz models. They could even redo the same launch that Volcano the Blast Coaster had, where the track was erupting out of the mouth of the volcano. They could even do it this time into a top hat instead of an Immelman loop. However, I am not sure what difficulties this would present trying to build this into a pre-existing structure. King's Dominion could also build the coaster around the volcano. They could build a RMC Raptor coaster that maybe goes along inside of it. They could even build a Gerstlauer Infinity model around this. We could even see King's Dominion completely demolishing the entire volcano and create a ground-up coaster from B&M. An invert or a wing coaster would be the likely candidates if this were to take place. However, this idea would require heavier investment into King's Dominion, which may not happen until 2022 or beyond. Finally, they could use that volcano to turn it into a dark ride experience. This may be a good solution in the short term, especially since King's Dominion just opened Twisted Timbers in 2018, and it will likely be another few years before they look to add another roller coaster. So what do you think of the closing of Volcano? Also, what are some ideas that you have of what could possibly be replacing this in coming years? Leave your thoughts in the comment section below, and as always, if you like this video, give it a like, and subscribe for more theme park content. Have a good one, guys.